What's happening, guys? We're at our old location in our showroom here in Sterling Heights, and we finally finished our update. I know it's taken a lot longer than what we anticipated, but now we're able to showcase all the latest and greatest products. And right here, we're in the Oaks area. A lot of improvements in this showroom have come just with the updating of products and our affiliations with the manufacturers that are here. We also put a really unique sound system in here, and it's unbelievable. You got to reach out to Craig if you're looking for a sound system for your backyard. The stuff that Sonos is able to do at this point from Digital Exteriors, that's the name of the company, they do a fantastic job where you can actually hear the music, and if you step into the neighbor's house, you wouldn't hear it. So they have noise deafening and noise canceling and things like that. So can't wait to play that for you in just a little bit to just show you what submersive or immersive sound sounds like. Right here is where we did a lot of our work, and what you're seeing here is all of County's newest, latest, and greatest material. This is the product that most of our clients were seeing choose. We still need to do a wash in here, but we just got it completed. These are your large format, so we show everything in the County line here in large format. And the really cool part about County and why people are really starting to like this product even more is your consistency of your product. Number two, your wall systems. Wall systems that you're gonna see over here, they don't have the height variances that we're seeing with the other manufacturers. So this material goes up quickly, and it's probably the prettiest stuff we have in here. I'm not even gonna say probably, it is. So they're a really unbelievable company. Another thing I like about County, again, what we were talking about, like this is a lure. This is a big color, these two here. I get this in a large format. Well, when I wanna go to a walkway, I don't want a large format because I can't establish pattern on a walkway. I can buy this paver in this size. Any of these pavers can be converted to this size, and then they also come in 4x8. So if you don't want a contrasting color, you're somebody that wants to keep it simple, you can do that. Another unbelievable thing with them is their wall systems. They make solid color walls, and they also make, which I want to show you, this is Allure. So if you wanted to match your paver, this Allure color, you can match your wall. Let's say you just want something simple where there's not anything that really stands out and pops, and we're starting to see that more often. We're just showing you the examples of color. So from here, your timeless, to your reflection, to your Allure, it's awesome. So you're able to do these smooth walls, which everybody wants. And again, the unique part about this is there's not those consistencies that we have where we're seeing on some of our manufacturers, and I'm not gonna be bad with any of these manufacturers, I love them all, but consistency on height, when you're putting a retaining wall in, everybody knows that when you have to start using shims and doing all these different things, it makes the job a lot more difficult. So that's the reason why I truly do love this product. Here's another example of some product that has not been seen yet. It needs to be cleaned, but this is their Grand Fusion, and it's a textured product. So it's not smooth, but it really isn't textured to a point where you're gonna have a bunch of issues of water holding and things like that. It also is up there as well. So you're getting a texture. Once this is cleaned up, it's gonna look even better. Sorry it's not, but unfortunately we're busy working. But up here, same thing. We're seeing a lot of people go towards the creams, the browns, the different colors. We're not seeing the grays as much. We're seeing a lot more dark brown, light brown, and cream. And this particular patio here is becoming the most popular thing we have, this color. And not a lot of people have seen this because this was the last thing we finished. I think this has only been done for about a week. But again, if you notice the textures, you're having different textures in all of these to make it look more natural. Once it's cleaned, you're gonna see some of this is dirt that'll just clean up, but that's the unique part of this product is no one makes anything like this. and we just absolutely love the product here. The black is unbelievable and dark. Again, your allure wall with our fountain, beautiful coping, beautiful colors, and this is a structural block as well. So it's not a wall that we wouldn't just build for decoration. It's a wall that we build for structure and integrity as well. And we're gonna keep going back as we've updated the Oaks area. Unilock has still stayed the same, so we have our Unilock area over here, which is great. They do a great job as well. Again, still all county. County's taken up a big space here, and they have done just a fantastic job for us all the way around. We're fully stocked with this material with over 1,000 pallets in stock in our south location too. So if it's something that you want, we have it already in stock, so that's another bonus. From here, looking at Cedarville in the Baystone, that's a new color for Fendt, and then also in the 4x8, pretty popular. We're seeing this being sold more and more. People really like the color, the variances, and all the things that go with that product, so that's starting to take off. A really popular one for us here is the Milano and the Nueva XL, along with the Nueva 150 wall. If you notice, two of the larger projects that we just built were in this Nueva wall, which is the 150 heavy block, durable block, structural, but if you notice, it's got that smooth face. That's what's popular now, are these smooth face blocks. That's what people are looking for, and larger format pavers. So the Milano is ending up being our most popular color in the Oaks line, and followed right up next to Fendt's Dunewood. Again, browns, creams, whites. That's what we're seeing the trend go towards, is more of that style in the larger format mostly, but this particular product from Fendt is Dunewood. This is still extremely popular as well. So generally, people go from here to the county because they really like that brown and cream mix. We're back here at the end of the showroom. Again, you're gonna see we redid this as well. So you see this in champagne. This is the Nueva XL. These are 6 square feet a piece, so 2 by 3. And then it transitions to the marble beige. Marble beige is a really pretty color as well. If you like your grays, you're seeing that not one brick looks the same in all the manufacturing processes now, so you're not really able to establish a pattern or color. They're doing a lot better with making these look natural. So you know, when this was 4 or 5 years ago, 6 years ago, you would see 8 or 9 pavers, and eventually you could start to make the patterns, where now you can't see that because all of them are made different and unique, where you might see a little bit more tan and gray in one spot, here, here, and here, but the shapes are all different. Our last patio is our tried and true, which is our all gray and Baystone. So this is Baystone, all gray. This is our most popular patio since we've built it. We've sold this patio exactly 5 times this patio. No altercations to the patio. This was designed by Kenny Hackenberger. He's been with our company now for 15 years. He's been in the brick paver business since 1986. So that's a very long time. I've been in the business since 94. He's been in the business much longer than me. People want this patio. So they like that the pavers are a little bit more muted, in the wall, which is their graphite stone gate. They choose this, essentially this whole job, from the white to the gray to the lighter gray. Again, I think this is 5 times this patio is sold. We've sold some different alterations of this patio as well, but we've had more people come in and say, I want that. So just wanted to give you a nice update of the showroom. All the other stuff has stayed the same. I do want to show you the Fendt boards as well, because they do have some new colors up here as well that are not on the floor. I don't want to forget about them. Another update that we did here, this walnut patio has been in since 2015. Still one of the most popular things they have. This is a tried and true paver. It's still the focal point of our showroom, and it's still something that people love. They kind of look like pinwheels, but I really like the color. I think Fendt does a really good job with their blends as well, but these pavers have to be hand blended. So when you're doing a Fendt project, in my opinion, when you're using like a Spectrum Elite or you're using a product that has those darks and lights, you need to grab from like 3 or 4 pallets. Because if you don't, then you're not going to get a good mix. You'll be able to see that they laid a pallet at a time. So you want to hand blend this product. Again, our most popular wall, Alabaster. This is Stonegate. I love this product, and the reason I love it, smooth face, pin fiberglass system so we can tie it back so it's structurally sound if you build it properly, where you can't do that with a 4-inch block. So all of these colors are really popular. This is their slate, this is their Sahara, limestone, walnut. Those are your typical colors of Fendt. Bill, our rep, just redid our board, so there's some products that we have not seen. Alabaster paver, which is really kind of unique. It's more of a white cream, if you will, but this shows what people can actually get from Fendt that we're not showing. What we also did here is we show their Verazzo wall, and their Verazzo wall, again, is another tried and true product in all the same colors, so you have a really good grasp of what you're getting in this format as well. Baystone Polar Ash, this is really popular. Again, I would highly suggest grabbing from at least 3 to 4 pallets, or you're not going to get the tans, because if you notice, this is tan and gray, this is gray and gray, this is more tan and gray. You got cream in here, so if you're only getting 1 or 2 pallets, you're really limiting the range of what Polar Ash and how it's shown. Birchwood is a new color for them. I also feel that this Baystone Birchwood looks very similar to Dunewood, but again, really pretty. This is, again, one of their popular new colors. New for Fendt. Walnut, again, still their most popular color. They've been making walnut for 30 years. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you have any questions, reach out, give us a call, toll free at 1-800-BRICK-PAVERS, or go to we'retheguys.com, fill out the contact form, and we can set up a free consultation. Have an awesome day.